Hello, welcome to Cambridge O-Level YouTube channel. Today also we are going to talk about another practical related to photosynthesis. That is, light is essential for photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants makes their own food by using sunlight. Rather than sunlight, it needs carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. So today we are going to talk about how light energy is necessary for the photosynthesis. We are going to check whether actually light energy is necessary for the photosynthesis. So to this one we will be need to do a practical. So these are the materials needed. We need a healthy potted plant, a black paper or aluminium foil, and paper clips or tape, beaker, alcohol, water, iodine solution, forceps, Bunsen burner, and also we need a hot water bath. So these alcohol, water, iodine, forceps, those things are needed to do the starch test. So this is the procedure. First of all, we need to take that start the plant. What do you mean by this destarching? As we mentioned in earlier slide charts, we have to keep this potted plant under dark room around 24 to 48 hours. From that, we will be predicting that all the starch produced inside the plant is finished. It means without sunlight, it cannot do photosynthesis, and somehow the plant is surviving. No? The plant is surviving with the help of stored starch. So when we are keeping it around 24 to 48 hours, it means 1 to 2 days under dark room, all the starch will be used by the plant. So we have a plant without starch. Then we have to take it out from the dark room, and we have to cover one leaf by using an aluminium foil or a black color polythene strip. Then we can, if you need, you can cover another leaf by using a transparent polythene bag, and you can keep this under sunlight around 3 to 6 hours. You have to place the plant in sunlight for a few hours. Then what you have to do is you have to pluck these two leaves separately. First of all, we'll take that leaf which is covered by using aluminium foil or black color polythene bag. We'll see, this is the diagram. It has uh, mentioned that it has covered by using a black color paper strip. This is the destarch plant, and you have covered it by using a black color strip, and you have to pluck this leaf, and you can do the starch test, the iodine test. Can you remember the steps of this uh, starch test? What you have to do, you have to pluck the leaf and you have to insert it to a ethanol, not to the ethanol actually. First of all, you have to take that leaf and you have to boil it by using a hot water bath, and you have to take it out, and then you have to insert it to a alcohol filled or ethanol filled boiling tube. Then you can see, when you are double boiling the leaf by using ethanol, it will be the ethanol solution will be turning into green color. The reason is chlorophyll is removing from the plant leaf. So chlorophyll is dissolving well inside this ethanol or alcohol, and you can see the leaf is turning into pale yellow like color. Then what you have to do is you have to take it out from the uh, boiling tube, and you can resin it with cold water and keep it on a white tile, and you can add iodine. When you are adding iodine, you can see a kind of thing. Suppose that in here you can see this leaf. you think about this leaf, you can see this black color paper is at the middle of the leaf. It is at the middle of the leaf. So other two parts, it means other green color parts are exposed into the sunlight. So when you are doing this starch test, you can see this part will be taking one color and these two parts will be taking another color. So can you predict what are the colors? What are the colors? So the black color strip part will be remaining that uh, brown color means the iodine solution. It will be around, it will be like brown color, so it will be remaining brown color, but these two parts which was exposed to sunlight will be turning into blue color. You can see these two parts, it means this part and this part will be turning into blue color, and the black color strip or the aluminium foil covered part will be remaining brown color. What you can predict from that? When there is no sunlight, it cannot produce starch. That's what that black color strip part or the part which was covered by aluminium foil is remaining brown color, but the other two parts of the leaf is exposed into the sunlight. Due to that, it will be giving kind of a blue black color. As you can remember, if a leaf is giving kind of blue black color, we can conclude that these parts of the leaf contain starch. If it is remaining brown color, means it doesn't contain starch. Okay. Here, from this leaf, you can have an idea about that. Just go through this green color part will be turning into blue color, and the black color polythene strip part will be turning into a brown color. So these are the observation. The part of the leaf exposed to light turns into blue-black color, and the covered part remaining brown or yellow color. It means the iodine color of iodine solution. From that, we can conclude that only the areas exposed to light produce starch, and the other parts they cannot produce starch. Therefore, light is essential for the photosynthesis. So inside a plant, when photosynthesis is happening, light energy is really important. It means sunlight is really important. So in that case, light energy is turning into chemical energy. Chemical energy means it is storing inside the food. It means it is storing inside the starch. So basically, during photosynthesis, light energy is converting into chemical energy. So that is the end of the presentation. Uh, Thank you for watching.